Nationwide, COVID cases are up 11% over the past week. Doctors say cases among unvaccinated people will keep rising given the spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant, which now accounts for 80% of new cases in some areas.
Tonight, Governor Ivey is saying Alabama is open and it will remain open despite COVID cases increasing across the country. And because of the Delta variant, some states, they are almost back at the outbreak point.
WVTM 13's Magdala Lusant joins us live this evening overlooking Birmingham. Magdala, you spoke with people who say the governor is right.
Yes, Brittany, business owners in Homewood say that Alabama should stay open. Vaccines are easily available and people should have the freedom to make their own decisions.
In a tweet Thursday morning, Governor Ivey responded to a headline she considered misleading, saying Alabama is open for business. Vaccines are readily available, and I encourage folks to get one. The state of emergency and health orders have expired. We are moving forward. Business owner Dave Horn agrees with Ivey.
I think Governor Ivey's, it sounds like she's on the right track. Go back, people can make their own decisions, and if people feel unsafe, well, then they can do what they feel they need to do to protect themselves.
Horn owns Soho Social in Homewood. Business is good for him now because everything is back open. But around this time last year, it wasn't looking too good for his business. Horn doesn't want to live through that again.
And that was scary. That was really scary to have to look in my employees' eyes and say, look, I don't know that you're going to be able to work here. I don't know that I'm going to be able to provide a place for you to earn an income.
Alabama's vaccination rate is low. Less than a third of Alabamians have gotten the vaccine. State health officers agree with Ivey on wanting Alabama to stay open. But more people need to get the vaccine so we won't have more outbreaks.
So I think the overarching message to Alabamians is certainly to listen to what the governor has said and listen to what we in public health are saying, and that is, please protect yourself, please protect your family, please protect your community by getting vaccinated.
Now, we did ask Dr. Landers if there are plans to administer the vaccine by going door to door to help get the vaccination rate up. She says there are no plans for that here because you can find the vaccine almost anywhere. However, though, there are healthcare workers who are vaccinating people who are homebound. Live in Birmingham, I'm Magdala Lusant, WVTM 13.